How to unfreeze your fifth third bank account. First of all, if your account is frozen and you want to restore access to make transactions, you need to start by logging into your online banking account on the official Fifth Third Bank website at 53.com. Next, navigate to the security section where you previously froze your account. Look for the option to unfreeze, unlock, or reactivate your account or debit card. Then, follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your identity and complete the unfreeze process. If you don't find this option online or face any issues, you can contact Fifth Third Bank customer service through secure messaging or visit your nearest branch for help with unfreezing your account. Lastly, once your account is unfrozen, review your recent transaction and update your passwords or PINs if needed to keep your account secure. And that's it. Now you know how to unfreeze your Fifth Third Bank account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.